Ever wonder how that seemingly simple push button on your bathroom door works to give you privacy? It's more clever than you might think. Let's delve into the mechanics of a push button privacy lock. At its core, a privacy lock isn't designed for high security. It's built for convenience and instant seclusion. The most common type is a button and knob mechanism. Push the button on the inside, and it engages the lock. When you push the button, a small pin or lever extends into a groove in the latch mechanism. This extension prevents the exterior knob or lever from retracting the latch bolt, keeping the door shut. It's a direct mechanical action, providing immediate privacy without needing a key. What about getting out? Most privacy locks have an automatic unlock feature. Turning the interior knob or lever, or sometimes even closing the door, will retract the pin and unlock the door. This automatic unlocking is a safety feature, preventing accidental lock-ins and ensuring easy egress in emergencies. But what if someone accidentally locks you out or a child gets stuck inside? Privacy locks almost always include an emergency override on the exterior side. This is typically a small slot or hole, which can be engaged with a flathead screwdriver, a coin, or even a specialized privacy key. Inserting the tool and turning it will disengage the locking pin, allowing the door to be open from the outside. So, the next time you push that button for privacy, you'll know exactly the simple yet effective mechanism it